What's your favourite mushroom? The camera person myself, and even the Lady Curmudgeon, really like lion's mane. But as I'll show you, we've had big problems with it. But now, we have an autoclave. We can sterilise the substrate properly. Let's have a look what we're doing. We've taken our substrate out of the pressure cooker, and first little hint is do not buy cheap mushroom bags if you're using an autoclave. Because if we come in and have a look, they've melted. They're not meant to melt at that temperature. Now that means that this has been open, but I've had it sitting in my still air chamber for the time it took to cool down, which was overnight. I've sprayed around inside with alcohol. All the surfaces have been sprayed down with alcohol. We're going to open the substrate up. We've got our bag of lion's mane spawn here. Again, sprayed the outside all sterile. I sprayed the gloves. Oh, and that's washed off a bit, but I know it's lion's mane. So this is a heat-tolerant lion's mane that we've got here. We're going to be using a mid-sized grow bag, not using our really small ones or our really big ones. We're just going to empty the bags into here, mix in our grain spawn, and pack up our bags. So let's open it up. I've contacted my friends at Root Lab to see if I can get some of their good bags so that we can actually use them in the autoclave. Now let's put this across. Open the other one up. And this one also melted in the corner. So we have about 5 kilos of, actually I think it was 6 kilos, 5 or 6 kilos of substrate and 1 kilo of lion's mane grain spawn. Right, I apologise for the lack of clarity through this plastic, but you should get the idea from it. So there's our lion's mane spawn, reasonably well colonised by the look of it. Here's a good bit. Try and break that up as much as we can, and now we need to mix it through. Make sure we get any really big lumps broken up. I'm really hoping that this works, as we've been very careful about the sterilisation, and we do have our autoclave now, so hopefully it'll all be good. Oh, that looks reasonably well mixed through. Let's get one of our bags that we sterilise the outside of. And let's start filling them up. I think that'll do us nicely. That's one. Let's get our bag out of here, keeping it closed up, and we'll come over to our heat sealer. I've packed it down just firmly, not tight. Put it into our heat sealer. Get as much air out as we can. I'll burn your nose off, dog.
How would it smell?
Awful. I'll just do a double seal just to make sure. Does that cut through? No, that's good. Okay, we've got a double seal on there. And there we go. One lion's mane grow block. Fingers crossed. So this will go in our mushroom tent up here. And now I'll get on and do the rest. Well, here they are, and a week has gone by, and we can't see a lot of growth in here, but we're just starting to get a couple of spots, I think, of our lion's mane propagating through. And the good news is, no sign of contamination. Well, actually, we've got a reasonable amount here, I think, just coming on here. So this seems to be a fairly slow one. but we're just starting to get there, and it's not contaminated. I think we need to run a sweep on whether this is going to work or not. Let me know in the comments if you think we're going to succeed this time. All right, guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the mushroom tent.